8 Habits for Proactive Driving. Being a proactive driver means that you are a responsible driver. You can be a new driver or have years of experience. But you must be able to read and respond to others on the road efficiently and safely. These are 8 ways to be a proactive driver. 1. Think safety first. Avoiding aggressive or distracted driving will put you in a better position to handle unsafe driving by others. To protect yourself from a collision, lock your doors and buckle your seatbelt. 2. Be aware of your surroundings. Always inspect your vehicle for potential hazards, signs, and roadway markings. Every 3 to 5 seconds, check your blind spots and mirrors. In all environments, scan 12 to 15 seconds ahead. This includes 1.5 blocks in urban and 1/4 miles in highway environments. 3. Refrain from relying on other drivers. Don't assume that another driver will merge with you or move in another direction. Plan for an event in which you are confronted either by an unsafe condition or a distracted driver. 4. Maintain proper following distance. To help you maintain a safe following distance and allow enough time to stop if needed, follow the 3 to 5 second rule. For each condition, such as rain, snow, fog, nighttime driving, or following a large truck/motorcycle, you should increase your following distance by 1 second. 5. Use the speed limit. The posted speed limits are for ideal driving conditions. Higher speeds can make it more difficult to control your vehicle if something goes wrong. You are responsible for ensuring your speed does not exceed the conditions necessary to keep your vehicle under control. 6. Find an escape route. The best way to avoid dangers in all driving situations is to position your car where it has the greatest chance of being seen and able to see. Make sure you have an alternative travel route in case your vehicle suddenly stops or is in danger. 7. Communicate with other drivers. You can use various methods to inform those on the road that you have your intentions. You can use directional signals, vehicle position, headlights, or your horn to communicate information with other drivers. 8. Remove distractions. Distraction is any activity that distracts you from driving, such as texting or eating, applying makeup, or speaking to passengers. Driving requires your full attention. Keep your eyes on the road and pay attention to every detail. Distractions are the #1 cause of car crashes. You can contact Top Driver today to sign up for an online driving course if you are interested in improving your driving skills and becoming more proactive. At this point where we end this video, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel to get notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in my following video.